Hey everyone, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today we're taking a closer look at the KTM Group oil pump gears. So you're going to find these on the KTM 350s and the 250s, and with these they've been known to have issues. So we're going to be talking about the oil pump drive gears, the suction pump gears, and even this updated oil screen. If you haven't done these updates, you need to do it. We're going to get into why right now. Now I want to point out that all of this stuff is going to apply to the 2022 and older bikes. So these stock gears, they're plastic. This sits right under the clutch. And if you get that clutch really hot, this gear can warp, the teeth can break off. And if you're not feeding oil to all of your engine parts, you're going to be doing an engine job just like us. So that's why you want to be updating this stuff. Now, I haven't really seen problems with this bottom gear, but it has been updated on the new bike. So this metal gear, this is from a 2023 diagram, and it measures identical to that plastic one. So we're going to be using that down there. And then this is the superseded number in the parts diagram for all of those 2022 and older bikes. So on this other side, we have the suction pump. Now this shaft, this is the one that's driven by those oil pump gears. On the other side, we have the force pump. So that's feeding oil to the top end. This suction pump, this is going to feed oil to your transmission. And common issues we see with this is the gears, the plastic gears that are stock, they can break apart, and I've even seen them melt. And something that causes that is just a mistake with maintenance. So we've seen people misalign these oil screens. And when that happens, it allows debris to go by and get in here, and that's when those plastic parts break apart. So definitely make sure you're installing the screen right. And by the way, this screen has actually been updated. This is a superseded part. So while you're in here updating the gears and your pump, make sure you get this replaced as well. So that's it for the oil pump update on the KTM Group 250 and 350s. If you have questions, leave them down in the comments. And if you need to pick up these gears, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We've made it real easy to pick these up. We offer free shipping on orders over $75 as well. So take advantage of that. And if you need to know how to install these gears, we've got separate bottom end rebuild videos for these engines. So you're gonna wanna check them out and subscribe to our channel while you're there. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.